Idiom of the day. Push my buttons. One quote today. Hello everyone and welcome back to One Quote Today, where we learn English one expression at a time. Today's idiom is emotional, a little dramatic, and very easy to trigger. Let's talk about push my buttons. What does it mean? If someone says, "Don't push my buttons," they do not mean you are pressing real buttons. They mean, don't annoy me, don't make me angry, don't say that one thing that always gets a reaction. Example time. You are calm, everything is fine, peaceful, and then someone says, "Relax." Instant reaction. That's a button. Always, someone repeats the same joke again and again and again. You smile, but inside, please stop. Yeah, buttons are being pushed. Why buttons? Because it's like we all have invisible buttons and some people have a map. When people use it, you might hear, "Don't push my buttons," or "He knows how to push my buttons," which is not a compliment. Quick recap. Push my buttons means to annoy or provoke someone very easily. And remember, everyone has buttons. Some people just press them faster. If you enjoyed today's episode on One Quote Today, don't forget to like and subscribe. One quote, one idiom, one day at a time. See you in the next episode.